Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a cash account on Thinkorswim. First, understand that a cash account requires you to trade only with settled funds, meaning you cannot use margin. This is a fantastic option for new investors or anyone who prefers to avoid borrowing money for their trades. We will walk through the entire process, ensuring you have a clear understanding of each step involved in getting your account ready for trading. To begin, navigate to the official website for Thinkorswim, which is now part of Charles Schwab. Look for the prominent Open New Account button, typically found near the top right of the homepage. Clicking this will direct you to the application portal. Here, you will choose your account type, such as an individual or joint account, before proceeding to the detailed application forms. Next, you will fill out the application with your personal details, including your social security number, employment information, and residential address. It is absolutely critical to select cash account when prompted for your account type to ensure you avoid margin capabilities. Take your time to review every piece of information for accuracy before electronically signing and submitting your application. This step is vital for a smooth approval process. After your application is approved, the final step is funding your new cash account. You can easily do this through an electronic funds transfer from your bank account or by initiating a wire transfer. While there isn't always a strict minimum, a deposit of at least $50 is a good starting point. Remember, it typically takes 1 to 3 business days for funds to fully settle before you can begin placing trades.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.